vastness of the cosmos, there exists a kaleidoscope of exoplanets, each with its own unique story to tell. Our journey begins with a planet much like our own, Earth, a blue and green jewel teeming with life. But Earth isn't alone in the universe. Let's embark on a cosmic adventure and explore these mesmerizing exoplanets. Our first destination is Kepler 186f, situated in the habitable zone of its star. Slightly larger than Earth, it orbits a red dwarf star. Imagine its crimson sunsets and alien landscapes. Next, we journey to Gliese 581c, a world covered in ice. Beneath that icy crust, there may be hidden oceans and life could be thriving in the frigid depths. Now, picture a desert world. Kepler 442b, two-thirds the size of Earth. It orbits a dim orange star and boasts vast arid landscapes. What kind of unique life forms could endure these harsh conditions? Our journey takes a drastic turn as we visit HD 189733b, a gas giant with no solid surface, just swirling gases and fierce winds. Here, raindrops are made of glass. Moving on, we explore Kepler 22b, often called the water world for its vast oceans. Imagine the magical sunsets blending into the endless sea. What aquatic wonders await below the waves? Lastly, we arrive at Kepler 442b, a world that shares similarities with Earth, slightly larger and cooler. It offers lush green landscapes and unique flora and fauna. Our cosmic journey reveals the incredible diversity of exoplanets, each with its charm and mysteries. The universe is a boundless, beautiful place filled with wonders beyond our imagination. Remember, young explorers, the cosmos beckons us to uncover its secrets. As we study and dream of these faraway worlds, who knows what remarkable discoveries await the next generation of explorers. Thank you for joining us on this celestial adventure. Keep gazing at the night sky, for it holds the promise of discoveries yet to come.